After Bellator signed couple of light heavyweight fighters such as UFC veterans like Anthony Rumble Johnson, Corey Anderson, Yoel Romero, Bellator president Scott Coker repeated the fact that at this moment Bellator has the best light heavyweight division on this planet. And to that, when Dana White was asked by the reporter that what do you think of Scott Coker saying that Bellator has the best light heavyweights in the world, and so Dana White responded to that are you kidding? He's out of his mind. So, but let's look at the fact that does Bellator really have the best light heavyweight fighters on the planet? But as a fan, we are not trying to say that Bellator fighter are not great fighters, but as a fan, we are trying to look at the fact like what makes uh, a division greatest division on the planet, a fighter greatest fighter on the planet. So if Bellator president says that their light heavyweight division is the best, then it must say something. But if you look at the fighter and who fought who, so Bellator current light heavyweight champion is Vadim Nemkov, and Vadim Nemkov is a stud, and he's from Russia, and he is the prodigy of great Fedor Emelianenko. He comes from a great camp as well, and but Vadim Nemkov has a defeat, and you would be surprised to know that the person who defeated him is UFC light heavyweight contender Jiri Prohajka. Yes, they fought in Pride Fighting Rising in Japan in 2015 for, and Jiri Prohajka defeated Vadim Nemkov in the first round in 10th minute. And then their past Bellator past champion was Ryan Bader. Ryan Bader was submitted by John Jones in second round in 2011, and before that, in between that, there another contender was Phil Davis, and Phil Davis fought in UFC. He has win over Lyoto Machida and Rumble and Rampage Jackson, but he was UFC light heavyweight contender for two times, but he never got to have the championship belt, and he never won the championship final. After that, he left UFC and moved to Bellator, and since then he has been fighting there. And Vadim Nemkov recently, after his win in the Bellator light heavyweight semi-final, he said that he would never like to face Phil Davis again because he was one of the most difficult fight of his life. And he also responded to fact that he did not expected Corey Anderson to win so easily and so quickly. So if you look at the UFC light heavyweight division, they have fighter like Jan Blachowicz, Glover Teixeira. If you talk like young fighter, they have Jiri Prohaska who is 27, Dominic Reyes, and one guy who nobody's like promoting him too much, but he's going to be a force to reckon with. Magomed Ankalaev. He has really good ground game as all the fighters from Dagestan and Russia do, but his striking is absolutely phenomenal. Like he has knocked out some really good people like Hulk, the fighter named Hulk, and some Paul Craig as well. But he had the submission lost in the final second of the third round in that fight. Before that, he was dominating Paul Craig, but recently he is on five fight winning streak, and he is ranked number 8, and he is slated to fight Volkan Ozdemir, another great fighter. And UFC has fighters veterans like Anthony Smith, Alexander Rakic, Thiago Santos, Johnny Walker, Jimmy Crute, who there he is also one of the finest grappler, and The only thing with him is his striking is not that good because he was defeated in the last fight. He was knocked out in second round by Anthony Smith because his Jimmy Crute knee gave up after Anthony Smith kicked it for a long time, 2 or 3 times. So looking at this fact, you can say the fact that UFC has the best light heavyweight fighter in the world, and UFC light heavyweight division is the best light heavyweight division on this planet. And let me know what do you think, friends, and thanks for watching the video, and I'll keep updating more, so please like and subscribe my channel.